So I stripped the oil pan drain bolt, and now we have to try to get it out because it's rounded off. So we have some bolt extractors here. We'll see if...
This one?
Turn it around. So the inside's tapered to latch onto that bolt, and hopefully if it works, if not, we're gonna be having to drill it out. So you're gonna get under there and do it.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so apparently my wife's not gonna be doing it. She's going to the beach because I guess it stopped raining. So we'll go under there and see how bad I strip this thing out. I mean, it's rounded off a little bit, not too bad. I put vice grips on there, it won't come off. Sometimes you can get them going like that, but it's not budging. It's just soft Chinese junk recycled metal. So we'll climb under there. So you can see it's just rounded just enough where your wrench or your socket's just not catching it. Vice grips won't hold it, it's just too soft. So 15 mil. We're gonna put this on there. Once we get it out, I have a PPE magnetized drain plug. I think it's a 16 millimeter head. And we'll try that, but this is gonna have to be tapped in a little bit for it to catch. So we got it lightly tapped on there. Hope this works. I don't feel like drilling this thing out. My neighbor's outside, so I should act like I'm working on something hard. It's biting in, but damn, that thing is on there. All right, we got it. Definitely worked. Now the messy part. So you can see where it gripped it pretty good, bit into it, but also the gasket looks like it got pinched when I put it in there. Look at that. Pinched on the threads. So here's the PPE drain plug. It has a copper gasket, it looks like. So there's the part number right there. On their website it says it fits for the 3.0 Duramax, but it comes up 17 plus 6.6. All right, so here's the PPE magnetized one. You can see the head on it has a lot more grip, so it's not gonna happen again. I'm not gonna do the whole oil change video. I already have one of them. So this is gonna conclude the whole video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.